Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a great opportunity here, and that too for 2019, 2020, and 2021 pass out by Cognizant. Friends, as we know, there is very less opportunity for 2019, 2020, and 2021 pass out graduates, and that is the reason whatever opportunity comes to you, you have to grab that opportunity, friends, because opportunity does not knock the door always. Okay, so whenever the opportunities are coming, you need to grab that opportunity. So right now we are seeing this Cognizant is going to hire Gen Z developer, and this is a off campus role they have clearly mentioned, and even they have mentioned the pass out year 19, 2020, and 2021. And there is one more opportunity, so that is for any 3-year graduates 2019, 20, and 2021 batch. Okay, and you can see this is happening through Superset. So these are verified openings, so you do not have to worry at all. We will talk in detail. Before that, friends, this is our Online Study for You channel, and if you really want to get all the updates, and if you think that we are putting a lot of effort, then you just need to click on subscribe, and as well as click on bell icon, because you could see we are updating a lot of videos in a day. So 2 hours before, 1 hour before, right, one day before. So we are really working hard for you, and our intention is you get a job in one of the reputed MNC. That's what we want. Okay, so Cognizant is offering Gen Z developer role. Okay, and let us see. The application deadline is 24th of October 2021, 12 p.m. Okay, like 11:59 p.m. Sorry. So this still you have time to apply for that. Okay, and opening overview, job function will be engineering, web software, information technology, and CTC will be 4 lakhs per annum. Okay, 4 lakhs 1986. Job description. So job description, friends, this you can read it, because if I also read, there is no use, because the same thing I will be also reading it. So understand business requirement, so that is everyone has to do in a company. Understand the agile application, you should know HDLC basically. Provides input to create low level design. Okay, development and test debug. Okay, so this is for development role, so you should know how to develop, you should know how to test. Okay, take ownership to deliver own goals, and continuous upskill, reskills, and cross skill to scale up to new technology. Process excellent written and communication skill, ability to work coherently in the team, and then you can go for apply now. Okay, so then you can uh, go with this, enter your email address and all these details. So friends, I think all streams people will be able to apply. So if you're from 19, 20, and 2021 graduates, then think that this is an opportunity, and which you will not get it again, and apply it. And that two streams also, I think, I hope all the streams people will be able to apply. So if you get to know more clarity, or when you apply, if you get to know something, please put down in the comment box. And even if we get some information, definitely we will put across. But as far as it should be for all the streams. The next one. Okay, so next one, Cognizant campus HR team hiring for graduates, trainee, immediate batch requirements. Any 3-year graduates, 19, 20, and 2021. Okay, so you will be able to apply till 30th of 30 October 2021. 11 p.m. Okay, job function will be customer technical support and information technology, and your CTC will be 2,52,000. Job descriptions, you can just go through that. Okay, so the major thing will be here eligibility. So any 3-year graduation program. Okay, so if you are, BA, BCom, any 3 years, so they are not particular about any kind of like IT, non-IT, no. So any 3 years graduation program, if you have done diploma, okay, or if you have done any kind of BA, BCom, BSc, BCA, whichever 3 years graduation, and 50% in 10, 12 diploma UG, no standing arrears, maximum gap 2 years, PG not eligible. Be very clear. So 50% in 10, 12th diploma, PG, there should not be any arrears, and maximum 2 years of gap should be there, and PG not eligible. Again, if you click on apply now, then you should be able to apply for this particular job. So friends, both the opportunities are really a very, very good opportunity, as I think, because now the opportunities for 19 and 20 is very, very less. So in that, this will become a the boon, or you can say it's a very good opportunity for you, all of you. So please do subscribe to our channel and get updated to whatever the recruitment comes, or the preparation, or some kind of funny videos also we are putting nowadays. So each and everything we will be keep doing it. So I hope you will be definitely getting benefited, and please get a job in one of the MNC. That's what we are looking for. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Good night.